Hi guys, are you getting the connection timeout error on your Chrome? Then you don't have to worry because I got a solution for you. You just need to like the video, subscribe the channel and follow this tutorial step by step. First you need to click on the settings of your Chrome and from here you need to go in privacy and security, clear the browsing data. And from here click all time and now clear the data. After it, go to the settings and search for apps and from here click on manage apps. Now type or search for the Chrome, open it. And now first force stop the app, click OK and now clear the data, clear cache and press OK. Now go to storage of a Chrome and from here clear all the data, press OK. Now you have to go to the Play Store and in Play Store search for Chrome, and if there is any update available, update your app and try to open the Chrome because now all the data have been cleaned from your Chrome, and if there were some file which were causing that error, it should be solved, and if there is an update available, then you have also updated the app. Now the error should be fixed. You can use your Chrome again or you can check out the website you were using. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.